We got a couple little boxes here. What can this be? We're gonna wait on this one. This is the one that we're checking out today. Got a big box this time. What's good, Lutu? Who is Louis 13? Back again. I am Louis. You already see what's in the background, man. So as you can see behind me, we got the next mod for the Dodge Charger, the 2020 Dodge Charger Scatpack Widebody. And this is something that comes highly recommended, you know, from a lot of the sources that I've seen. They say this is one of the best things that you can do for a specific part of this vehicle here. And it's actually, it comes from a Hellcat. Hellcats come with these stock, and I'm sure a lot of you guys could guess what it is. But we're gonna do the unboxing. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel and you enjoy the content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, give me a like, drop a comment down below, tell me what you guys want to see next, and we'll get right to it. If you're interested in any of the stuff that I use, everything that I recommend, all the links are in the description. Go ahead and purchase through those links and help your boy out. I appreciate that greatly. Also, if you really rock with me and you really want to support, please don't skip those ads. It helps greatly and I appreciate it. Thank you so much. So without further ado, what do you guys think this is, man? It's a Hellcat mod. Actually, it's a Hellcat. It comes stocked on the Hellcat, and it's one of the best things that you could do for this, as far as, you know, one of the things in the engine goes. Not the engine, but, you know, under the hood. So, I mean, I'm sure a lot of you guys know what this is. So without further ado, you know, let's get right to it. Boom. Open this bad boy up. See what it is. As you can see, I got a little smarter this time. Blacked it out, that way I ain't got to blur it. Last time I had to blur it all out. Boom. All right. Pop this thing open. Boom. There we go there. Let me put this thing away real quick. See what it is, man. All right. What do we got here? What do we got here? All bagged up. So as you can see, we got a couple pieces here. Let's open this thing up real quick. Put that in there. My bad, guys. As you can see, boom, man. This is the Hellcat lower air box. And this, you know, this comes highly recommended. All the research that I've done, everything that I've looked into, everybody says that, or most people say that this is the best thing you could do as far as your intake goes. You know, this comes stock on the Hellcats, and it's a fairly, you know, inexpensive mod that you could do for your scat packs, you know, and it's gonna do a lot as far as airflow goes. So this, obviously, we'll pop the hood real quick. And I sprained my damn ankle, man. I went on a jog earlier, sprained my damn, not my ankle, my foot. I stepped on a rock wrong. I was going down a hill and fucked up my whole foot. And then after I did that, I ran a whole another mile, because I didn't really feel it while I was running. I felt it a little bit at first. It kind of went away. I still kind of felt it, but I kept going. And now, man, that thing, it's all swollen and bruised up. But yeah, man, let's pop this hood real quick. Boom. Get up under here. Shazam. A little cleaner than last time, right? But yeah, here we got the stock air box with the air filter and all that in it. And here we got the Hellcat lower air box. So this is gonna go in place of that. And I did talk to the people over there at Steve White Motors, and they said that because a lot of stuff don't fit on the 2020 Widebody Scatpack Chargers that fits on the regular ones. You know, it has the new grill, it doesn't have the snorkels and all that. So I asked him if it was gonna fit, and I knew I got to take off the whole front bumper in order to install that. So that's one thing you guys got to know. I believe even in the 2019, the 2020 I'm pretty sure you got to take off the whole front bumper. I know for sure with the wide body you do, so I'm gonna have to do that. And also I asked, because this doesn't have the snorkels, and if you guys see right here, set that down there real nice and gently, this is what's gonna be, you know, bringing in that airflow. So it's gonna go from there to there somehow, and it's gonna bring that airflow in through here. So what I asked them is if I had to get a whole new front grille that came with the snorkels, and if they even made one of those that fits the 2020 wide bodies, because I believe the 2020 Scat Packs, they come with the snorkels still, the regular standard bodies, but these ones have a new front grille, and they don't have the snorkels, obviously, as you can see. But you know, they looked it up and they said that it will fit, you know, it'll work with this grill and it'll still be functional. So we're gonna find out, man. I'm gonna install this tomorrow, but actually I'm gonna install the 180 degree thermostat. I did a video on that already, if you guys want to go check that out, but we got that coming first, and then we'll go ahead and install this. I was gonna install the thermostat today, but I realized, you know, I didn't do a few things that I had to do, so, you know, I had to see what it runs at for a good comparison for you guys. I had to see what it runs at normally with the stock thermostat. So I did that today, letting it cool down, and it's still pretty hot, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that today, because you got to let it cool down quite a bit. So I'm probably gonna do that install tomorrow, and then I might even just do this install tomorrow as well. We'll bang both of those out tomorrow, and then we'll have those dropping ASAP. But yeah, man, they said it should fit, and yeah, they say that this is one of the best things that you can do as far as intakes go on the Scat Pack here. I heard a lot of good things about it. I first heard about it through Racer X, so if you guys don't know who that is, go check him out. Racer X has a lot of dope information, a lot of good information on all your Mopars. He always comes out with like the best information that I've seen, and he's a cool dude, you know, and he, you know, he has runs in there, goes to the track. Real dope channel. Go over there, subscribe to him, tell him Who Is Louis 13 sent you, all right? But also him is where I seen it first, and then also Rush Shift has one of these, except in his SRT Challenger. So, and those are different because they got the little lights right there, and then one of the lights just goes all the way through. I'm sure you guys know about that, but shout out to Rush Shift as well. Go follow him. I'm sure you guys already do, but if you don't, go follow him. Real dope channel. Tell him Who Is Louis 13 sent you, and tell him that you guys want to see the 2020 Dodge Charger Scat Pack wide body against side boot, because we need to make that happen, man. It's gonna happen ASAP. But yeah, man, as you guys see, we got it all here, man. So this mod is going in tomorrow. We got two mods going in tomorrow: the 180 degree thermostat and the Hellcat lower air box. And we might even do an air filter eventually as well, but you know, we're gonna do this first, see how it works, and then we'll see, you know, what we need to do in it. And if you guys ain't familiar with my channel, I just did the dyno run for the stock Scat Pack wide body, so go check that out if you haven't already. See the numbers that it puts up. You might be surprised. I might do another dyno because the type of dyno that I got it done on is different from regular ones, so I might do it on another dyno just to compare the two numbers. And you know, we're gonna do it each step of the way. Every mod that we put in here, we're gonna be putting it on the dyno, that way we can compare and we can track the progress and see what each mod does. I know the thermostat ain't gonna do nothing. That's just to keep the power consistent, you know, keep it running at a cooler rate, especially with summer coming up and it's gonna be a lot hotter, a lot longer days. And if you're running it hard, taking a lot of trips to Mexico, that is definitely something that you are gonna wanna have. So that's just gonna keep it more consistent. The Hellcat lower air box, on the other hand, that might add a little bit, you know, it's gonna create more airflow, so it might help a little bit. So we're gonna put it back on the dyno again after we add the Hellcat lower air box, and just to see what kind of numbers it does. I know it's not gonna be nothing crazy, but I just wanna do it for you guys to show you, in case you're interested in getting it, you wanna know the type of progress you can expect. I'm here to show you what that is. So, you know, I'm a man of the people, as I always say, so we're gonna get that done. So yeah, man, after we install that, first we're gonna throw it on the butt dyno, see what that registers as, because you know that's pretty accurate over here. and then we'll throw it on the actual dyno and we'll see the numbers that it produces on there. But yeah, man, like I always say, we got a lot of stuff coming with this car here. We're gonna do a lot to it. We're gonna get the wrap done. We're gonna get new wheels on it, new tires on it. We're gonna get a whole lot of stuff done as far as like aesthetically, but really what I'm focusing on is the performance. Because, you know, if you're familiar with my channel, you know we take a lot of trips to Mexico, and you know I want to give myself a little edge, as much of an edge as possible. So we're focusing on the performance right now. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. I've done a lot of research, so I pretty much already know what I'm gonna do to it. You know, we got a few things coming, so you got to stay tuned for that. Quite a few things coming, man. We're gonna build this car up and see how fast we could really make it while keeping it as reliable as possible. So you guys got to stay tuned for that. You know, as I said, we got a lot of aesthetics coming. It looks good as it is, so you know that's why I'm focusing on the performance right now. Go ahead and lock that up. As you can see, I don't know if you guys are familiar with the whip. I did a review on it, so you can go ahead and check that out. But we got the red guts, we got the bees on the seats, we got the Napa leather with the Alcantara suede combo, you know what I'm saying. Got the red stitching and all that. If you guys want to see what it's all about, you could go check out that review that I did. You got the bolstered up steering wheel, nice and you know how you need it. Yeah, man, real dope vehicle. But as I said, man, it looks good aesthetically as it is. So that's why I'm focusing on the performance, as well as because I do a lot of runs in Mexico, man, as you guys would know if you follow the channel. But we're gonna be doing a lot more of that. We got a run coming with a standard body Scatpack, just to compare the two. What's faster, the wide body or the standard body? We gonna get it done, man. We gonna show you and we gonna see. We got a couple runs with some Scatpacks coming. We got a run coming with a Q60. I already ran a Q50. You could go back and check that out. But we got one coming with the Q60. We got a whole bunch of runs coming that we're gonna make happen real soon. So you guys got to stay tuned for that. And that's exactly why I'm getting to this performance first. But there's gonna be some aesthetics that we throw in there along the way. But mainly we're focusing on the performance for now. But yeah, man, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys and wanted to let you guys know. This is one upgrade that I think every Scatpack owner should get. You know, it's fairly inexpensive. It's not just for people that are out racing and doing a bunch of stuff, driving hard. It's gonna be good for any Scatpack owner, you know what I'm saying? But especially for the ones that are out there in Mexico getting some runs in. So I haven't been able to experience it myself yet, but you could go online, you could search all the reviews from it, all the people that have talked about it already, and you know, it's a lot of good things. So this is definitely something that I recommend, and we'll be able to see firsthand, you know, after I install it, how it really does. So let's go ahead and close this up. We're done with that. Go ahead and put this to the side. Before we install this, we are going to see what the air intake runs at. You know, we're going to get a comparison of what it runs at before and after. So we're going to do all that, man. We're going to have a lot of comparisons, and we're going to be able to really see what that thing really does. See, we got a lot of people passing by, man. Before I would have been real insecure, and you know, I wouldn't have been out here doing this because, you know, I'm not used to all this talking on the camera and stuff. But you know, I'm getting more used to it, as you guys can see. I'm out here just recording, doing my thing, not giving a damn, man. And that's how you gotta be, man. You know, all these people are looking as they pass by like, yo, what the hell's this weirdo doing, talking to himself, pointing at his car and stuff. But you know, as I've said in previous videos, man, you guys gotta just be out here and do what you gotta do to get to where you need to be. Don't care what anybody has to say, what anybody thinks, the looks that you get, the stares you get, because we're on a different path, man. We're gonna get to different places, and we got different goals. So yeah, salute to everybody out there doing their thing, and keep doing it, man. Don't let anybody hold you back. Don't let anybody tell you you can't do what you want to do, because you can do whatever the hell you want, and that's a fact. The place where I got that is Steve White's Motor Parts. You know, if you go ahead and get it from them, tell them that Who Is Louis 13 sent you, man. Tell them that I need that sponsorship. I'll probably put the link in the description, so if you guys want to go check that out, you feel free to go do that. But just make sure that you tell them Who Is Louis 13 sent you, man. That way I'm trying to get paid from all this stuff, man. I'm out here promoting stuff for free, just because I ain't gonna not throw that out there. I know they're one of the more reputable places. A lot of people recommend them. So yeah, man, if you guys want to pick it up, that's where you need to go. And from what he said, it's gonna fit the 2020 wide body. So we're gonna see, because I'm gonna do it tomorrow. So if it doesn't, then I'm gonna send that thing back. But hopefully it fits. We're gonna see tomorrow. We're gonna have to take off the bumper and do all that. So it's gonna be quite a little process, but it's gonna be worth it, man. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be worth it. I've heard a lot of good things. I just wanted to show you that real quick, let you know what we got coming in the next few days. Like I said, tomorrow we're throwing in that 180-degree thermostat, so we got a DIY video coming tomorrow. Stay tuned for that. And we're dropping every single day, guys. If you're familiar with me and my channel, then we're dropping every single day, so you could look forward to new content from me every single day. And we got DIY videos, we got some informative stuff, we got some motivational stuff, we got runs in Mexico, we got just daily vlogs. This channel is extremely varied, man. We got a lot of stuff, so you could look forward to a lot of things from this channel. And we're just starting, man. We're gonna continue to grow, we're gonna continue to go up, man. And I appreciate all the support from all you guys. I appreciate it greatly, because without you guys, like I said, man, I'd just be talking to a camera and I'd just be a weirdo for nothing out here, man. But if you enjoy the content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, give me a like, drop a comment down below, tell me what you guys want to see next, because I do take requests, and I have already put out more than a few videos on recommendations from people in the comments. So tell me what you guys want to see, and we're gonna get it done. That's a fact. Once again, if you're interested in any of the products that I use, any of the equipment, all links are in the description, such as this radar detector, this car mount for the GoPro itself, the GoPro handle, and a lot of other things, man. Stuff that I wash my car with. It's all in the description, all the links. So go up in that description, purchase through those links, and help your boy out, man. I appreciate that greatly. That's gonna do it for this one, guys. Thank you for checking me out. Who Is Louis 13 checking out. Salute. Catch you guys on the next one, man.